Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Engineer Bojomi Pius, a civil engineer and CAD specialist with over 16 years of experience in highway infrastructure design, supervision and construction. Today I have an exciting topic to share with all of you, which is point creation using Civil3d. If you are into civil engineering or CAD design, this video is definitely for you. Now, before we get started, let's quickly talk about what Civil3d is. It's a software developed by Autodesk. Civil3d is a powerful software used in the field of civil engineering and land development. It combines traditional AutoCAD functionalities with specific capabilities for designing and analyzing civil engineering projects. And one of the fundamental tasks in Civil3d is point creation. So let's get into it. Point creation in Civil3d is a critical part of any civil engineering project. It allows us to accurately represent features such as survey data, construction control points, or existing ground elevations. By creating points in Civil3d, we can easily manipulate and analyze data to make informed decisions. Now let me walk you through the entire process. This is our Civil3d interface. As you can see, this Autodesk Civil3d. It's our drawing one, and we'll be doing point creation. But before we do that, we'll try and assign a coordinate system to this file. We'll do that by clicking on settings in our tool space palette. Click on it, right click on your drawing name and select edit drawing settings. Then under your units and zones tab, you go to categories and select the appropriate datum. In this case we'll go to Nigeria because this data was being surveyed in Nigeria. The coordinate system that is appropriate for this data is UTM zone 31 knots. Click on apply and OK. So we have assigned a coordinate system to this drawing now. So we'll go back to our prospector tab on our tool space palette. We'll now, before we go to points, let me just explain the point file. This is a point file, typical point file that was gotten from a surveyor. As you can see it, it's arranged in point, easting, northing, Z. Z is for elevation and D for description. These are the survey data, mainly ground levels, as seen in the description. See .xlx format. Before this, I'd already converted that raw data into a format that Civil3d can recognize. That's a .csv and .txt, that's a text file. So please, let's take note of this file format here. Point is still not in Z and your Z. Again, let me just open each of this recognizable text format. This is it. This is .txt. Then this is our .csv. As you can see, .csv. So the converted file format. This is the original file. So we'll minimize this and go straight to our business. Click on points here. Under the home tab, click on point creation tools, but these are the various ways you can create points. There's so many other ways you can create points, as you can see, but our focus is on point creation tools here. Under this, we'll click on import points, the very last button on then as you see here, we'll need to select the appropriate file. We'll click on this add files button here. Then we can now see the .txt. If we look down below the other formats here, so you can see, but we'll stick with our .txt format. Then you can see the checkbox here showing us that the file is okay. Remember our file formats that I showed earlier. Let me just push this to the left and bring it up again. You can see it's our point est, nothing z and d, and this is a .txt file. So we'll select the point est, nothing z, d, space delimited, and okay. As you can see, our points are actually there. We can't see it now, but we'll use zoom extent to bring it out. You can type ZE for older versions of Civil3d. You can now see the points showing here. So our points. You can type ZE for newer versions to show you all the points clearly. So we can change how the points appear and use the benchmark point style, the label styles, point elevation and description style. Click on apply and OK. You can now see our points appearing here. So you can see all the data is, but it's clumsy. So adjust the scale. You can now see it's clearer and see our point number, the elevation and the description showing. And there you have it, my friends, a brief overview of point creation using Civil3d. Whether you're a civil engineer, a student, or simply passionate about design, I hope this video opened your eyes to the amazing capabilities of Civil3d. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our upcoming videos on all things CAD and civil engineering related. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.